You guys definitely didn't ask for it, but I'm going to give you a tour of my 3D printing workshop. There's a table with my 3D printer, the Ender Pro 3, and look at that, it's a failed print because I am extruding under or whatever it is and the motor keeps clicking. I don't know, I'm replacing that part tomorrow. And over here, this is where the magic happens. Once we get a print completely finished, this is where we start filling in the gaps and sanding that bad boy down. Don't worry, we've got our blower plugged in, ready to blow the sand out of the garage. Then we are going to move it to the paint station. Where's the paint station, you might ask? I haven't built that yet, but I've got the paint ready to do the Peacemaker shield. I also work out right there.